What a delicious.
Oh my God, Monique Seca. It's delicacy, not delicious. Whatever you said.
Oh, I'm sorry. Mispronouncement. I guess I meant to say delicious delicacy.
Whatever, Monique Seca. So why have you scattered all those toothpicks over there? You just need one.
Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. You know I got 32 teeth in my mouth, right? And I probably need an extra pack because this one looks really.
Oh Lord! Oh, oh my God! Oh Lord! Now this is crazy. So what are you gonna do about those toothpicks? You just need one, seriously.
I'm sorry, man. I think I need an extra pack, like I just said.
Oh,
I guess
Lord.
you didn't hear me. I got 32 teeth in my mouth. See, look at that.
Illiteracy is a very, very bad thing. I'm telling you.
You got it wrong. Literacy is very, very boring. You know.
Oh well, you got it. Enjoy your meal and those toothpicks. I'm getting you another pack anyway.